If Rewarded Play stopped opening immediately after an update, the problem is often caused by temporary app data, an incomplete update, or a compatibility issue between the app and your device. By the end of this video, you'll know the most effective troubleshooting steps, what to avoid, and when it's time to contact Rewarded Play support. Start with the simplest fix. Restart your phone, then try opening Rewarded Play again. A device restart clears temporary system processes that may be preventing the updated app from launching correctly. If that doesn't help, open your device's App Store and check whether another update is available. Developers sometimes release follow-up updates shortly after a major release to fix bugs that users report after installation. Next, confirm that your device is running the latest available version of Android for your phone. An outdated operating system can sometimes create compatibility problems with newly updated apps. If the app still won't open, clear the Rewarded Play cache. On Android, open Settings and go to Apps, select Rewarded Play, open Storage, and tap iClear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account information. After clearing the cache, force close the app and try opening it again. If it still crashes immediately, restart your phone one more time before moving to the next step. If the problem continues, verify that your phone has enough free storage available. Devices with very little available storage can experience problems installing or launching updated applications. You should also disable any VPN or network filtering apps temporarily if you're using them. Some network-related tools can interfere with app verification during startup after an update. If none of these steps work, reinstalling Rewarded Play may help. Before uninstalling, make sure you know the login information for your account. Your progress is connected to your account, so signing back into the correct account is essential after reinstalling. If the app still refuses to open after a clean installation, contact Rewarded Play support. Include your device model, Android version, the app version if you know it, and explain that the problem started immediately after updating. Screenshots or screen recordings of the issue can also help the support team identify the cause. The key points are simple. Restart your phone, check for additional updates, clear the app cache, confirm your device software is current, and reinstall the app only after verifying your login information. Your next step is to work through each troubleshooting step in order instead of trying several fixes at the same time. If this guide helped you get Rewarded Play working again, like the video and subscribe for more Rewarded Play troubleshooting guides, tutorials, and reward app tips.